Zeus was a 3-week-old kitten when we found him. It was very dark, but we could see there was something wrong with his eyes. Initially, we thought he had a very severe eye infection. When we arrived home and closely examined him, we realized the severity of his injuries. Zeus has required 4 surgeries to repair all the damage. He was only 4 weeks old and weighed less than 400 grams. He needed life-saving neurosurgery. He has never complained about anything. He couldn't have any painkillers because he was baby. He would patiently wait for this treatment to be done. We would start crying after that because we knew it was very painful. But he just wanted to play and be happy.